Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to show you quickly how you can get as low as 3.5 to $4 per kg from China to Nigeria. The lowest shipping cost so far that you're going to get. But before I go into this, I want to say a few things. As you all know, e-commerce and many importation has become a crap right now due to high shipping cost. So if you don't know your way, you're going to be doing this business at loss. And this is no longer a business that you can approach a bank to collect loan to execute any of this project. If you take a loan for this business, you are going to go into debt. So what you need to do is to find a way around it. In my last video, I talked about how you can zero down your shipping cost, how you can bypass shipping costs. If you have not watched that video, visit my other video and watch it. Before I go on, I want to say that we are on the platform of Chris More Logistics. So this is my dashboard here. If you look at this here, this is $1 is equivalent to 595 naira per dollar, nearly 600 naira per dollar. That is their exchange rate. And if you look at Ghana here, this is dollar cedis. This is dollar to cedis. Is $1 equivalent to 8 cedis. You can see the difference. So just imagine you want to do a business, you want to import anything, and you want to pay this kind of shipping cost. And now they are charging per kg, they are charging $12 per kg. So just imagine, let me show you what I am talking about. If you times, let's just base it on 1 kg item, which is $12. If you times 559 times 12, this is how much it gives you. 1 kg of item, you're going to ship it for 7,140 naira for 1 kg. So if your item is 3 kg, you times this figure by 3 kg, and you have 21,000 naira to ship barely 3 kg items. So just tell me, how are you going to make profit with this kind of business? So that is why I want to show you how you can bypass this particular process and get the lowest shipping cost. But this process also has a disadvantage, which I'm going to share in along the line of this video, or towards the end of this video. We are going to get all this information that I'm going to share in this video. So how do I get that minimum shipping cost? For a couple of times now, I've been telling people that there are ways to everything. In my last video, that, like I said earlier, I shared an inkling on how you can bypass your shipping costs totally. So watch that video. Go to my channel and watch that video. It's going to help you a great deal as a mini importer. Just watch that video. You can't afford not to watch that video. So if you are watching this video, you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and be part of my YouTube community so that we can share ideas together, do business together, and make money together, online and offline. A lot of you have my phone number and you call me every now and then for a help. So I attend to all inquiries from my followers, and all their questions. I always answer them. Since morning, I've been answering questions of a new importer that is trying to go into the business. I've been teaching him since morning. So as time goes on, I'm going to put in on my channel a link where you can register and be part of my community so that we can learn importation together on that platform. So the way forward in getting the lowest shipping cost is this. Along this line, I'm going to give you a phone number of somebody at this Chris More Logistics to make an inquiries about what I'm about to share. I'm going to put a phone number along the line. So how do I get $3.5 to $4 per kg shipping directly from China to Nigeria. This is how you go about it. Now, because of the high cost of freight from China to Nigeria, when you want to use air shipping, a lot of people are now using ocean shipping. That ocean shipping, how you go about it, you may be asking yourself that I'm a small importer, I import maybe items like $100, $200. How am I going to use ocean with that kind of quantity? This is how they go about it. What Scrivy Small Logistics does is they collect product from a whole lot of their customers and put it together to make up a container, and they ship it to you in Nigeria. But this information is not on their website. They don't advertise it. I'm giving it out because I have an in-house person there who has been giving me this information because I use them. If I don't want to use my private Chinese shipping agent, I use Chris More Logistics. So the way you go about it is when you buy any product from China and you send it to a Scrivy Small Logistics, you can discuss with them that, okay, instead of receiving your items for 2 weeks for 12 point something dollars per kg, you can say, okay, I want to do monthly. Let me receive my items within 1 month and pay lesser or shipping cost. Or if you want to get a list, you can wait for as long as, now if you want to do ocean shipping from China to Nigeria, before now it used to be 1 month. Now it's longer than that. It can take up to 2 to 3 months for your item to land in Nigeria right now. So this is the way. If you are somebody who can wait for 3 months to get your items, you can actually approach them and discuss with them and say, hey, I want to do ocean shipping with my little quantity of item. Collect it, add it to other people's items, and ship it to me. I'm going to wait for 3 months. That's the disadvantage I spoke about. If you want to ship items for 3 months, you're going to wait for a very long time. So what you do is discuss with them, call them on phone. You can't do this on their website. You have to call them on phone to make this arrangement for them to guide you on how to go about it. That is why their phone number is necessary, which I'm going to put in this video. So call them on that phone and say, hey, my item is 10 kg, I want to use ocean. My item is 20 kg, I want to use ocean. They will be glad to use it. And the good thing about it is that the higher the kg of your items, the lower the price. If your item is like 100 kg, if care is not taken, you're going to get lower than $3 per kg, like I said earlier. You're going to get lower than that. The higher the kg, the lower the cost of shipping it down. So discuss with them. Put a call through to them and have that discussion, and they will be glad to respond to you and give you a guidelines on how you can go about it to achieve it. Without this, how are you going to prosper in mini importation as it stands? A lot of people are not buying goods right now. A lot of people that are doing mini importation and e-commerce, even drop shipping, they are stuck right now because of high shipping cost. So what I'm giving out to you now is a valid information and is very, very important. I am telling you what I do myself, how we go about it is exactly what I'm showing you. So you are going to call them on phone and say, hey, this is what I want to do. I can't ship air freight right now. Let me use ocean. If you can give me 1 month, that I think their 1 month is like maybe you're going to pay like maybe a 6 point something dollars. But if it is 2-3 months, you will pay 3.5 or $4 per kg. That is the only way you can beat high shipping cost now. So if you don't want to pay shipping cost at all, go to my channel and watch my video that I made about how you can get zero shipping cost. So you can get all of that on my channel. So I want to quickly launch my notepad to show you their phone number if you don't already, if you are not, you don't have it already, so that you can call them. Call them on this phone line and they will respond to you. I don't know if you can see the number clearly on the screen here. Their number is 08155 958098. It is not that clear, it's so tiny. There is no way I can enlarge it on this notepad. Let me repeat the number again. 08155 958098. So this is their phone number. Just put a call through to them and have that discussion. You will be glad you